to the Crystalina Perspective. In today's video, I am doing an unboxing from the Fabulous Planner. Guys, Bae and I are gonna go wild. Prayerfully. So, the Fabulous Planner had some products in shop. I did purchase these because I wanted us to have some go wild stuff, gear, merch. Yeah, so Go Out is supposed to take place March 3rd through 6th of 2022. Bae and I did win a trip there, so we're blessed about that, and we're excited, and we're so just to the moon, ready to meet all of you. So I got a pack and a box, and we are going to jump into this really quick, open it up, and yeah. Okay guys, so this is, I forgot what this was called. This was like a pack that was available in the shop. Apparently this was offered like 2020, maybe 2020. This was offered, but I picked it up because your girl had to have it. And so basically, we got a sticker pack here. We'll go through this. I'll just sit that to the side. But we got a cover. This is a planner setup. I wanted a Go Out planner. I haven't been planning for Go Out. It's time to plan because, of course, we need to stay in budget, but also have a ton of fun. So we got the Go Out SoCal with the girls there. On the back, it's just blank, so you could do something here if you would like. And then we got some inserts, y'all. So this says before the party. Let me make sure y'all can see that. Before the party. And then speakers, I'm excited to see. What I am most excited about Go Out. Table mate gift ideas. I don't think we're going to do this. Still pondering on that. Places I want to visit and what to buy. So that is what is on that first page. On the back, we have the after party. It says highlights of Go Out 2020, but you can easily edit that to 2021. Best takeaways from speakers, places I visited, friends I met. I love this because, you know, while you're there, it's a lot going on. This will be my first time attending. So I was told to not take a planner, but I'm probably going to take like this planner per se, simply because I definitely want to be able to write things down. So friends I met, and you could put their name, the IG handle, and how you met, and you get, oh, quite a few pages of that. So that is cool. Then we get a packing list. So all the things to pack for Go Out. I will come back and do like a packing video with you guys when that time comes. And you get a front and back. And then a budget tracker. So thankfully, some of these things we will not be indulging in, like Disneyland. We went to Disney World earlier this year in 2020. Y'all, let me get my years together. We went in 2021. So we are not going to be going to Disneyland. So that's just something that we're just gonna mark through. Table mate gifts is kind of, we'll see. Only because I'm not sure how we're flying yet. And Go Out is known for you to get swag and stuff. And we don't want to necessarily, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? We don't want to necessarily spend money on things that we can't possibly bring. And then on the back, we have a budget tracker that says what we bought, the cost, how much did we pay, and the date. And then this look like, oh, this is like a divider. So this is an idea of things of what to bring to Go Out. So it says you could bring your planner, pens to take notes, stickers and washi tapes. I don't know about that. Swaps and table gifts if you'll like. Contact card with your info to share with new friends. Camera or your phone to take lots of pics. D-stash items. Sunscreen and sunglasses. Your positive attitude and desire to meet new friends. Carry-on luggage to carry all the swag. So we probably will have like a fold-up little duffel. We'll see. We haven't made it that far yet, y'all. And then we got inserts, y'all. So this is so pretty, so colorful and pretty. And so we have weekly inserts to, like, you know, get us all ready for Go Wow. Of course, you can switch these days around. Y'all know I don't care for Saturday and Sunday to be like that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got 12 weeks of inserts. So actually that's a little bit longer. So I can use the extra days to document my time at Go Wow. But this was like the little pack that I picked up separate from the box. And then this is the fabulous planners kit that came with this. So let's see what is inside. So let me try to slide that out the way. Okay, so we have, hold on guys. Okay, so we have a beautiful full box right there. A box with the girl with the Jeep in the pool. We got the little Go Wow sticker, savings tracker for March. It's weird how it's offsetted, but you could easily put January, February, and March, like how much you want to save for it, to pack. And then on this next page, we just got some cute little dolls and stuff, girls and stuff like that. And then on this page, we got like different scenes of California. And then we have a washi strip right there. That's really cute. And then last but not least, we have flight time and number, check in, check out, just different little things, some days of the week, Planjama, Disneyland, merch to buy, and all of those little things there. So that was the sticker kit. So guys, this little pack and this sticker kit came together, and then I also picked up this box. Now, this box was curated by the Fabulous Planner for 2021. What I just showed you guys was for 2020. So this box is supposed to be jam-packed with Go Out merch and magic. The box is beautiful. I'm definitely keeping it. It says Go Wow SoCal Fabulous Planner. It got a girl on there, a llama, a groovy girl down here, and then it says ready to go wild. Yes, let's open this up, y'all. Oh, nice. So we have a little card here that says thank you for your order, enjoy, see you at Go Wow. So I'm excited, y'all. So it says thank you for your order, and when we open it up, ooh, y'all, it's some goodies in here. So let me set it to the side and we'll bring the items back. Okay guys, so the first item is this enamel pen, and it says llama wood, which is so freaking cute. It has a back on it. Y'all know I love enamel pens. This is so freaking cute. The next item we have is a planner charm, which is really, really cute. It has a little clip right there, and it has a mug with pens, a palm tree, some sunglasses, and a llama. So that is really, really cute. I'm not going in no particular order, by the way, y'all. The next item are these contact cards. It says Go Wow SoCal on that side, and then you can put your name, Instagram, and website. It says hello, nice to meet you. I may order some custom ones for Bay and I off of her site, but y'all, that is so freaking cute. The next item is this Don't Forget, and it's a checklist pad. It's a notepad jam-packed with all the things, like for you to put all the things that you need down. Love that. So that's 4 items, and we're still going, y'all. Ooh, so y'all, this next item is some washi, and yes, I am gonna open it up on camera. I forgot the name of this box. I'll try to flash it for you guys. So, where is it? How do we start it? Oh, right here. So, this washi is so freaking cute. Okay. So, this is what the washi looks like. Getting wild in SoCal or South Cali. Some girls in California dreaming. And then it just starts over and it says go wild. You got some Minnie Mouse ears, a girl with a coffee, California dreaming bus, and it starts over. That's nice. That's really, really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so the next item are some die cuts. So we have some die cuts here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, nice. So you have to put an adhesive on the back. So you have a llama, the Mickey Mouse balloons that are at the Disney parks, Go Wild SoCal Planaheim. Look, I can't talk. Go Wild SoCal. Wild in SoCal. Look like some little leopard. You get the castle, which is beautiful. Go Wild SoCal. You get the llama star, like the Hollywood stars. California Dreamin'. Another star that says Go Wild. California Dreamin'. Huh. Don't touch my Go Wild swag. That's cute. It took me a minute to catch it, y'all. It's early. Planner friends make the best friends. And Hollywood, no, llama wood. So those die cuts are super duper cute. The next item I'm pulling out are more stickers. So y'all, you know your girl loves stickers. So we have a kit here. I'm trying to figure out which way to turn it. So we have some vertical boxes. Look like all of the things. Wild in SoCal, Go Wild SoCal, playing Anthem with the Cheetah, California, the Mickey Mouse balloons, Go Wild SoCal, and then the castle. I love this one. That's cute. Me and Bae needed that sticker for March. I mean, when we went in May. And then we have another Flight Time, Llama Hollywood. We have them in like 2 different girls. And then on this side, we have like a swag checklist. Yep, I heard you're a wild one. And places to go. And then we have a planner weekend sticker. Just some different little vertical boxes here. Another flight info. And then we have some washi strips here, which are really, really cute. And some boxes and like a weekly tracker there. We have some weekly trackers there, some little checklists with Mickey heads, daily highlights in the Disney font. These are all like Disney like inspired stickers, except for this one. This is cute. So we got like a little Minnie Mouse head setup situation, some boxes, different little scripts and whatnot. That's cute. And then we have this is just like some little deco. So it's Disney inspired work. That's cute. Earrings in the Disney font. And then we have this sheet, Weekend Magic. I love that. So this is really, really cute. This, oh, how many pages was this? This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 pages of stickers, y'all, in this box. Then we got us a dashboard, a smaller version of what to bring. I think I'm gonna give this one to Bay since I have the bigger one now. And this is really, really cute. You could just stick it like in the pocket of a planner, like if you had a smaller size planner. And then we have this book here that says Go Wow SoCal. Oh, it's a journal. Oh my God, y'all. The Fabulous Planner did an amazing job with this. So we have before the party. And then, oh, this is nice. So a savings tracker. Definitely love this. A budget tracker. And then it's kind of similar to the planner setup. So I'm not really sure which one I want to use. I may use a combination of both of them some way, somehow, because I really, really like this a lot. So yeah, that's dope. Like Schedule Friday. Yeah, this is nice. This is really, really nice. I think I like the other one because you get the weekly pages, but I like this one because you really get to like document the entire conference. So I'm probably gonna use 2 of them. Yeah, another Friends I Met. This is cool. So I may use the planner for at home and travel with this one because this one is a little bit more travel friendly. It's like a half letter size. That's what size it is. It's half letter. So you easily could like attach a pen to this or just have a pen case or something. So we're gonna sit that there. Wow. And speaking of pen cases, look at this. So yeah. So it says, don't touch my Go Wild SoCal swaps. This is too freaking cute. Like really, really cute. It is deep and spacious. So you could put contact cards in here, like your contact cards and whatnot. So, I don't know. I talked to Bay to see if we want to do table make gifts. Because if we do, it'll be something we do together. Like, as in people just get one gift and whatnot. So this was the Fabulous Planned Go Out merch unboxing. I'm really, really excited to set up all the things, y'all. This thing was jam-packed. Like, oh my gosh, so many amazing goodies in this package. So I have some Go Out merch. I'm okay. I don't need a ton. I'm okay with what I have. I probably will order more contact cards because those are just easier to hand out, but I'm excited, y'all. I am so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, you guys have an amazing day. Bye.